Maybelline deal is the baby lips are $3.99. You guys want to buy 2 of them, you would pay $7.98. But then you guys would get a $5 register reward, making it just $2.98, or what is it, $1.49 a piece. Sorry you guys, my math isn't the greatest right now. Yeah, $1.49 a piece. There is some Ibotta deals, but does not include the baby lips according to Ibotta. The Palmolive is a month sale, so it's currently $1.99 along with the Suavitel, so you guys can mix and match or do whatever you guys want. You would pay $3.98, but you guys would get 2,000 points back, making it to $1.98 or just 99 cents if you guys want to do that deal. Oreo cookies are $1.99 on sale. Awesome price if you guys need to do that. Plus there's also an Ibotta deal for Townhouse crackers. They are $1.99 on sale, and there is a 50-cent rebate on Ibotta, making them just $1.49 a piece. The Kellogg's Fruit Loops, Frosted Flakes, all that stuff, they are currently on sale for $1.99. There is a 50-cent off digital coupon that you guys can use. There's also printable coupons that you guys can use, but you guys would end up paying $1.49. You can submit a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, making them just 74 cents a piece. Plus you guys can submit your receipts to get a free book this summer. Just started, so get your free books. So for this deal, this Crest Brilliance is, I think it's on sale for $6.99. There's no sale tag, but when I scan the app it says $6.99. So this Crest 3D Brilliance is $6.99 along with the Crest Gum Detoxify. There is a digital coupon for each of them for $1.50 and or not for $1.50, for $3 a piece. So you guys want to clip the $3 off coupon for that one and a $3 off coupon for that one. You guys would end up paying $7.98. But then you guys will get 4,000 points for buying 2 of them, and then you guys can also submit your receipt to Ibotta, and you'll get $1.50 for the Brilliance, and you'll get $1.50 for the Gum Detoxify. Comes out to be exactly about 98 cents as the final price. Okay guys, so there is a deal for the Crest Pearl Health. It is currently on sale for $5.99. When you buy 2, you get 4,000 points. There's also a deal on Ibotta where you guys can get the toothpaste with that. So basically what you guys want to do is, I always avoid clipping my coupons until I get to the store, but you want to do 2 of them at $5.98, so it makes it $11.99. I have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys are going to use. You would pay $6.98. You get the 4,000 points, plus you guys can submit Ibotta times 2. Comes out to be a $1.02 moneymaker. So the next deal is the Whole Blends. It's not the greatest deal, but in case you guys are brand loyal, so Whole Blends is on sale for 2 for $7. We have a 4 off of 2 coupon, and then we have a $1 off. I'm going to take the $1 off. But you want to use the 4 off of 2 digital coupon. You guys would end up getting this for $3 or $1.50 a piece. Not the greatest deal, but some people are brand loyal, so I wanted to share with you guys on this deal. Okay you guys, so the Irish Spring is currently on sale for $4.99 along with the soft soap. It is on sale for 49 cents. $4.99. They have it here, right here, but you guys want to use 2 75-cent off digital coupons. So there is a 75-cent off coupon for the soft soap, and there is a 75-cent off digital coupon for the Irish Springs. You guys would end up paying $8.48, but then you get 5,000 points for buying 2. Comes out to be $3.48 or $1.74. This is a deal that you guys can pay with points if you guys need to go ahead and do that. The nice or home complete bags are on sale for $2.99. Most of them are always, never mind, they're $2.79. You want to buy 3 of them, you guys would technically get 1 you pay for and then 2 free. Comes out to be just 93 cents a piece. The complete home plates are on a regular price for $3.49. They're buy 1 you get 1 free. You'd basically get them for $1.74 a piece if you guys need to do that deal. The smaller bottles of Downy are on sale for $2.95. There's currently a $1 off digital coupon, making them just $1.99. Now you guys can do it with this deal. You can do it with the Simply Pods, and then you can do it with, I thought it was another Simply deal, but I'm not seeing it right here because I got the security tag. So there you guys go. So there is a deal that I'm not sure if it's going to work or not. I'm not going to try it, but currently the Tide is buy 3 you get 1 free. Well, I scanned the Tide to see if there's any coupon, and there's this green little flag that says buy 4 you get 5,000 points. So basically what you guys could do is you want to buy 4 of them. You'd pay for 3, so you'd pay $14.97, but then supposedly you get 5,000 points. It comes out to be just $9.97. That comes out to be $2.49 a piece. Yeah, $2.49 a piece if you guys want to go ahead and do that. Let me know if it does work for you, but I think it's a pretty decent deal. Check your clearance, you guys. There is a lot of dog food and cat food 90% off. So this is like $9.99 and currently it's 99 cents. The Dingo Twist Sticks were $11.99 and now they're $1.19. There's some other deals, but they are gone. So if you guys need to get some pet food, definitely check out the clearance racks, but make sure you check out the dates also.